I love you.
Love mama.
You want to go for a walk? You want to go see the doggies? Huh? You want to go see the doggies? Should we go to Ellings Park? Go and see Emma? You want to go see the doggies? Yeah.